Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change password on your Simplifi account. To change your Simplifi account's password, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in simplifimoney.com and search. This will now take you to the quickens.com website from where you will need to sign in to your account. Go ahead and log into your account like you normally do. And once you are logged into your account from the main home page, go ahead and click on the Sign In and Security tab. Right where it says Sign In and Security, go ahead and click on the Change option right under Password. On the next page, enter your new password you would like to change to and enter your current password in the next field. Finally, select a verification method right beneath. Choose whether you'd like to receive your code via SMS, text message, or phone call. Select any one options and click Continue. And on the next field, you'll need to verify your phone number or your email. Simply type in your email address as verification code or simply type in your verification code from your SMS. After you are done entering the code, click on Submit. And that way you will be able to change your password for Simplifi. Next time you log into your account, you will need to enter the newly created password. And that is how you will be able to change password on your Simplifi account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.